Today I'm back at the Engineering Technology Group in Wellesbourne, where in just a few weeks' time they're going to be hosting an event which is labelled Discover Turnkey Excellence. I'm with Steve Brown. Steve, the clue's in the name, isn't it? All about turnkeys?
And excellence, yeah. So the marketed as an open house, but it won't be just a standard walk along and see a load of machines. So we've got a set of machines within there that's all going to be based on a cell, on a turnkey cell.
I think let's start with some of the machines, because there's product that's going to be here which hasn't necessarily been here at Wellesbourne before, isn't there? Can you tell us about some of the machines that will be shown?
Yeah, so a couple of highlights is the Bavius. So that's a horizontal 5-axis machine. That was there the last time we showed that was at MAC 8 years ago.
I think I saw one of those at EMO as well. Incredible aerospace machine, horizontal 5-axis, swarf, fall away, high speed, agile, all of those elements.
Yeah, 30 kilowatt spindle, so full 5-axis horizontal. So that's available from us. We've got that coming into stock. And then the Nakamura, we've got a new product from the Nakamura range.
We'll be seeing that one at EMO as well, because that's being launched at EMO, isn't it? That's a smaller version of the NTRX 300.
Yes, so the NTRX 300 with a lower turret. So it's a multitasking turn mill.
Okay, now other machines here, Chiron, Quasar, Hardinge, Bridgeport. Just elaborate briefly on the turnkey excellence side and what you are going to be showing and what people can learn from coming here, Steve, because that's the key.
So on the 5-axis side, we've got automation. So again, the buzzword at the minute is palletised system or lights out running. So we'll have that on the 5-axis side. And then all our other equipment will be supplied with robotics to give it that turnkey excellent. Taking a box machine and adding value to it.
And what can be learnt from that, though? Is it a way of increasing your productivity, ensuring reliability through your machining processes, all things that we don't practice enough here in the UK, would you say?
Yeah, well, we're certainly on a catch-up. You know, I was speaking to one of our suppliers on robotics the other week, and there's a dramatic increase in the UK and in investing in automation. And we're coming along on the back of that.
Now, I counted, was it 12 machines that you'll have here that will actually be cutting metal, that will be doing what we're talking about here with the excellence?
Yeah, not just cutting, but printing as well.
Okay, tell us about that, because HK Holdings, you've acquired that company here at ETG. You're going to be showing 3D printing technology too.
Yeah, and EDM. So it's a pretty closed shop now. You know, there's not an area of the market that we can't supply into. Along with the HK holdings within EDM and the 3D printing side, we've not just got the product, but we've got the brains behind it, and they'll be here as well to share all the technical questions.
Okay, now the event is on the 2nd and 3rd of October, so it's not far away now. You can register on the Engineering Technology Group's website or through MTD CNC as well. You need to keep tuned to our channel over the coming weeks, because when we go to EMO, Steve, we're going to look at some of these highlights that are going to be coming from EMO over to here for the event, aren't we?
Yeah, correct. You'll get a taster of what the machines are, and then as the land here, you'll be able to, well, engineers like to touch and feel, don't they?
Yeah, I think for me, it's about, if you're looking at increasing productivity, you're looking at that expertise, that ability for you to hold someone's hand into a new era of machining, then this could be an opportunity for them. And some of these parts that you've got behind us here, Steve, this is an illustration of what ETG does best, isn't it? Yeah,
exactly. I mean, the parts that you see beyond, it's not just ourselves. We partner up with technical partners to deliver the full solution. So it's not just the machining element at all. There's work holding, there's automation, there's tooling. There's a whole raft that goes behind the full turnkey experience.
Okay, and I know that we'll be here on both of those days, and you'll be having sections throughout the day where specific machines, you'll be able to have a Q&A session on each machine, won't you, as the day unfolds, which I'm sure will be of interest to most. Remember, October the 2nd and 3rd here at the Engineering Technology Group in Wellesbourne. I'll say it again, Discover Turnkey Excellence. Thanks, Steve.
Cheers, Paul.